Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to share raster and vector data using map package. Here you can find lots of data. I can share it using map package in a single file. Here the option file and here option share as. Here the map package. Define is that if you save it in ArcMap, then it will be MXD and you could not open it in other computer. But if you save it in map package, that's main extension is .mpk. You can find here. Then you can save it. Like I want to save it here in my desktop as parameter 1. Save it. Now here the option item description. It's a mandatory field summary. Give any name. All parameters. Now you can give any name in stacks. It's required field. Again, suppose all, and also in description all parameters. You can give any name. Now here the option analyze. Click it. Then you can find this windows. Here status complete. Now just click it. Share. It's asked to save it. Yes. It is preparing now. It will be converted into map package. Then if you share it in via mail in other way, you can open it in other computer. No need to send the raster file and vector file, all the supporting file. It will be open as it is here. It will take some time because here large number of data compressing the package. It is completed successfully. Create map package. Just click OK. Now close it. Here the parameter you can find in map package. Just double click it, then it will be open in ArcMap. See, it is opening. In MXD file you could not share with anybody. You could not open it in other computer from other device. But in ArcMap you can open it in any computer. Just see here, all the data are here. Thank you viewer. I hope you will enjoy my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel.